My name is Jenny with FiltersForLife.com, and I'm going to show you how to change a dynamic air filter on an electrostatic air cleaner. It should be changed every 30 to 90 days depending on your environment. First, you're going to want to flip the furnace switch off, unplug the power supply, pull the air cleaner out. It can stick a little bit sometimes, just wiggle it. Open up the air cleaner. Change the filter out. Put in your new filter. Close it up. Place it right back in the filter rack. Plug in the power supply. Flip the furnace switch on. Easy as can be.